Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to display option. After that scroll all the way down, then go to Edge panel option. Now just tap here to enable Edge panel and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you tap on panels, now here you can see so many tasks and you can add any task on the Edge panel as you want. If I select tools, clipboard and weather and then go back. Now if I open Edge panel and you can see the task has been added successfully on the Edge panel. Now if you tap on handle, from here you can customize your Edge panel position or anything. From here you can change your Edge panel position, you can choose right or left. Also from here you can lock your Edge panel handle position. And from here you can change your Edge panel style, transparency, size, width and anything. You can choose any color as you want. If I select yellow color, then you can change your transparency and you can set any level as you want. Then you can change your Edge panel size and then you can set width. You can set any level as you want and it's done. And that is how you can enable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.